Question. In Likert's 4 systems of management, which system is considered democratic? Option A. System 1. Option B. System 2. Option C. System 3. Option D. System 4. Answer. Option A. System 1. Question. Communication is an exchange of Option A. Informations. Option B. Feelings and gestures. Option C. Ideas and opinions. Option D. All of the above. Answer. Option D. All of the above. Next question. Grapevine is options A. Officially created by management. Option B. A result of social contacts. Option C. Always injurious to management. Option D. None of the above. Answer. Option B. A result of social contacts. Question. A proposed organizational change may create options A. Fear of unknown. Option B. Emotional turmoil and tension. Option C. Problem of social displacement. Option D. All of the above. Answer. Option D. All of the above. Question. The main advantage of functional organization is options A. Simplicity. Option B. Specialization. Option C. Experience. Option D. None of these. Answer. Option B. Specialization. Question. Delegation of authority implies options A. Delegation of authority. Option B. Delegation of responsibility. Option C. Delegation of authority and responsibility. Option D. None of the above. Answer. Option C. Delegation of authority and responsibility. Question. Management is options A. A science. Option B. An art. Option C. A science as well as an art. Option D. None of the above. Answer. Option C. A science as well as an art. Question. Statement A. Management is the development of people. Reasons are management is not the direction of things. Options. Both A and R are true. Option B. A is false and R is true. Option C. A is true and R is false. Option D. A is true and R is not correct explanation of A. Answer. Option A. Both A and R are true. Question. Which among these is not a sub-function of directing? Options A. Command. Option B. Motivation. Option C. Control. Option D. Supervision. Answer. Option C. Control. Question. Span of management refers to the options A. Number of subordinates supervised by a manager. Option B. Number of superiors a manager has to report. Option C. Activities performed by a manager. Option D. None of the above. Answer. Option A. Number of subordinates supervised by a manager. Question. The function which determines future course of action is called options A. Organizing. Option B. Controlling. Option C. Planning. Option D. None of these. Answer. Option C. Planning. Question. Which of the following statement is wrong in relation to planning? Option A. Planning is an intellectual process. Option B. Planning is a top-level management process. Option C. Planning is a continuous process. Option D. All of the above. Answer. Option D. All of the above. Question. Objectives state the options A. Destination. Option B. Route map. Option C. Major policies. Option D. None of these. Answer. Option A. Destination. Question. Hierarchy of objectives refers to options A. Top level organizational objectives. Option B. N means chain of objectives. Option C. Multiplicity of objectives in a chain. Option D. None of the above. Answer option C. Multiplicity of objectives in a chain. Question. When there is misunderstanding about organizational goals, it should be called options A. Goal succession, option B. Goal displacement, option C. Goal distortion, option D. None of these. Answer option C. Goal distortion. Question. Who was introduced the concept of M.B.O? Option A. Mary Parker Follett. Option B. Keith Device. Option C. Peter Drucker. Option D. None of the above. Answer option C. Peter Drucker. Question. Which of the following determines what to do? Options A. Policy. Option B. Strategy. Option C. Procedure. Option D. Objective. Answer option A. Policy. Question. Plans made in the light of a competitor's plan are known as options A. Policy. Option B. Rule. Option C. Procedure. Option D. Strategies. Answer option D. Strategies. Question. Decisions which are repetitive and taken against familiar background are known as option A. Routine decision. Option B. Corporate decisions. Option C. Strategic decisions. Option D. None of the above. Answer option A. Routine decisions. Question. The modern organization theory views organization as option A. Social group of informal relationship. Option B. System consisting of subsystem. Option C. Process composed of certain activities. Option D. None of the above. Answer option A. Social group of informal relationship. Question. Strategic plans are formulated by the options A. Low-level managers. Option B. Middle-level managers. Option C. Top-level managers. Option D. None of the above. Answer option C. Top-level managers. Question. Statement A. Plan is theoretical concept, but planning has a practical value. Reasons are plans are natural outgrowths of the planning process. Options A is true, but R is not correct explanation of A. Option B, both A and R are true. Option C, A is true and R is false. Option D, A is false but R is true. Answer option B, both A and R are true. Question. Chain of communication in the organization is provided by options A. Line authority. Option B. Staff authority. Option C. Informal authority. Option D. None of the above. Answer option A. Line authority. Question. The influence of staff authority exists within the chain of command mainly because it has got options A. Specialized competence and skill. Option B. Power to seek accountability. Option C. Command prerogative. Option D. None of the above. Answer option B. Power to seek accountability. Question. Which of the following is a part of controlling? Options A. Setting performance standard. Option B. Measuring and comparing performance. Option C. Taking corrective action. Option D. All of the above. Answer option D. All of the above.